So this week at my one, my Jeremaya and Niza Boom, but tried the whole story, then they put it on a tape, guy. And also Passion Java, angachi flyer zvake patra babalasa. Zvikanzi na Holy 10 Master H ringori innocent, so nezvimwe zvamuchaona kumberi. So guys, don't forget to subscribe mama, like apana pa Bad Lion sounds.
Bad Lion found.
So movie ramai Jeremaya rabuda guys, kune vasina kunzwisisa story kana kuti vakasarira maizva endai pa Niza Boom munozvionera movie ramai Jeremaya.
Ancheche.
Kazona kadata nchiona ndina. Yo wapo.
Hayi nini handapo.
Kuyo.
Hayi nini ndabo baba indaswike.
Tabo chibuda wenzi. Bida wende mani.
Ndipende. Nyanchikumbira mari yangu.
Yo mari.
I think my Jeremaya mari yavo yavakavharwa iri kuvarwadza singaiti. So guys, maona chika, don't forget to leave a comment mumandudzo kuti munoti kudiki nemovie raburitswa naNiza Boom. Zviri zvemuharare kamuharara muraro maiza. So kwaitawo iyi mbavha yadonhawo pajira hwenga chida kudzura CCTV here kuti isaoneka kuti ibe. So yazvambuka hayi, yaita kuzvambuka lomunyaka chaiye maiza. Then kwaitawo Prophet Walter Magaya trying to give advice about finance. Then munongoriziva gangster ripa keyboard ripa Zimbabwe maiziva rakanotaura kuti isusu hatina basa nemainvestor, chatongoda kugadzirirwa nyika chete. Zvemainvestor yenyu ndo ari kutotiparadzira nyika.
One of the legislators, one of the MPs, Scott Sakupanya, he brought Floyd Mayweather. That's a multi-millionaire into Zimbabwe. People started to say, we don't want Mayweather, we want roads. The roads are in a person. Money is in a person. When such people are brought in your presence, you must hug them. You must impress them. That's how you take money from investors. Don't undermine an effort. Don't undermine an effort. It may not make sense to you, but bringing a multi-millionaire in your country. Listen to the comment of Floyd Mayweather. What did he say? He said, I felt better when I then went into South Africa. You were saying, why would Scott bring Mayweather? Why would Scott bring Mayweather? That is money. If Mayweather goes back to his country and he says Zimbabwe is blessed, what does that tell you? Oh, his followers who come to Zimbabwe. But what do? You judge the person who has brought the person, yet you don't.
AI is evolving very fast and I'm happy that some of the Zimbabweans are putting their hands on it. I'm going to check guys, on a business, I think you should also use AI to create more adverts. Just
look up in the sky. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? Who is it?
I am Super Java. Pachindiko repandiko.
Mr. Motor, immediately.
Honoring. Conquering. Takavarovera ngoma yemhara patsindi. Trababulous intersection is a sign and a wonder built under the leadership of
President E.D. Mnangagwa.
It consists 15 bridges, 26-kilometer road network, 12 roads put all together.
Holy 10 is back nedzungu rakawanda kupfuura kana great man maiza. Mukuona chika guys, andina zvakawanda zvokutaura pamusoro pa Holy 10 maiza. So chione video.
The Master H. Arubi. Atobwa number 1 I think. Don't be there. Angabe mangwana. Yeah, but Master H is innocent. And the quantum around the life. Yeah. Master H is not